Hi everyone, Susan Batchelder here with another interview today. In this interview, we are going to share how the technology we have access to has been empowering people globally by shifting their personal economy and elevating their financial thermostat. We will discuss how the resources in our community are helping people increase their financial IQ and learn a skill set that opens limitless possibilities for legacy wealth creation. We're also going to discuss how our technology can help those of you that want to trade, love to trade, but just don't always have the time. And in very specific to this video, we're going to talk about being empowered by technology and especially focusing on women who have a busy life, professional and family, and how you can absolutely do it too. So here with me today, I'm absolutely honored to have yet another interview with Marilyn Banks. She's one of our customers. She's been with us for months. Amazing to work with. And if you want the previous interview that we did, or to connect with her, we'll make sure and give you those details along with this. Marilyn has been professional marketing for years, and she's going to tell you the story about what she's been doing with our technology. So Marilyn, thank you for being here and welcome.